Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm WynneSlayer, and in today's video, this is very new for me and I'm very excited. As you guys can see, my hair is wet. This is very new for me. I don't have a lot of hair videos because I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm just a simple girl that wants to do her hair at home, her own blowout, and doesn't go to the hair salons. So maybe this is my solution, and if you click the video, you know what I'm talking about, and it's this baby. Yes guys, I got one. So let's do the unboxing. This is the box. It's pretty well made, as you guys can see, and it's pretty cool, this box. And let's unbox this. I'm very excited. Here we got it, and there is nothing else on the box, so here is the brush, well protected. I like that. Inside of a plastic. And here you got this manual, I believe.
You know nothing.
So obviously this is the Revlon one. What's the name of this?
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Look guys, I really like it. It's pretty big and it has 3 levels: cool, low and high, and I think I'm gonna do high. From the videos that I saw, I believe this is very loud and I'm really scared because I don't want to make that much noise. And the brush, it's pretty big. Look, it's pretty big. It's not that heavy, which I like. So this is my hair. It's pretty wavy and I like my hair to be pretty flat, but as you can see, it's pretty like curly, wavy. I don't know a lot about hair, so I apologize that I don't know many things, but as you guys can see, that's my hair. And it gets puffy very easily because in my country, the Dominican Republic, it's very hot. And from the reviews that I saw, they said you have to detangle your hair before doing this. That's what I did. And I'm going to start with a small section. And obviously, I'm doing this review with wet hair because I know a lot of you guys are interested in seeing how this tool works with wet hair, but obviously I don't like this. I like waiting for my hair to fully dry before I blow dry it, but I'm doing this wet because a lot of you guys are interested on wet hair and how long it takes. But obviously after this video, I'm not doing this ever again. But yeah, let me start with a small section of hair. Also, I don't own any bobby pins or anything, so this is going to be pretty raw. Just put my hair at the top because I don't have any, how did you call those things, butterflies thingies. I have to get some, but yeah, I'm very scared that this tool is going to be very loud. Very scared. There you go. You can see my hair is pretty curly. Let's do one side first and then the other side so you guys can see the difference. So look, my hair is already getting very puffy, and I'm obviously going to have a timer so you guys can tell how long it takes me to do my hair. Let's start with a small section. Let's see how it goes. Guys, I'm going to turn on my fans because I don't have an air conditioner and I don't want to burn, so hear how loud it is. Let's see. I like the sound actually. This is cool. Low and high. I like it already. Oh my god, it's not as loud as I thought. Like, yes, it's loud, but it's not as loud as I thought. You know what I mean? I'm excited. I'm already sweating. took me like 2 minutes. This is amazing. I'm already in love. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let me finish the rest of my half of the hair and I'll be right back so you guys can see the full comparison. Okay guys, so this is one side of my head done. That took me like 16 minutes or something like that. And I can give it more passes, but for now I want to leave it like this, so later I can give it more passes. Look at my hair, I'm very surprised actually. So I'm gonna continue with my whole hair and I'll be right back. And also guys, this is very hot, like I'm sweating. Okay guys, so this is my hair all complete. Let me know what do you think. Like I said, I'm not a professional. My hair is very dry and it's very hot in here, like I'm sweating as you can see. But guys, I got this in 30 minutes, and before this I used to do my hair twice a month with a straightener. I'm sweating like I said because I don't have my fans on, I don't have anything on, because I don't want you guys to have a bad experience with my audio. So as I told you guys, I get very hot and my hair gets very poofy very quickly, so I have to pick it up and turn my fans on. So my completely honest opinion is that you should get this definitely if you want to save some money, and if it doesn't bother you to take 30 minutes of your time to do your hair, then yes, get this. And as you can see, my hair is like medium length. I don't know how is it with people with short hair. People with long hair will have no problems obviously. And as you can see on the top, my hair is still a bit wavy, so I will have to go over it with a straightener, but that's my personal preference. I like my hair to be extra flat, so I will go with a straightener over it, like just in the front and over the top, but that's it. And I will use this brush like once a week maximum. Like it gets hot and I don't want to damage my hair. As you can see, it's not very healthy and I'm working on it. The weather doesn't help me at all. Like I get very hot. That's just me. I'm a very hot person. Very hot person? I know, girl. But yeah, you guys, that was it for today's review and today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it because I really did. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a like, comment down below, share with your friends, subscribe if you want to become a soldier of the Slayer army. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one with another video. And also, I also have the Cozy Life brush set. That is my sister's. I will do a review of that in like 2 weeks. So if you guys want to see that before buying this one, just in case you want the other one, just wait a little bit. And yeah, I will do a review of that brush and then I'm going to compare it to this brush. So yeah, like I said, I will see you guys in my next video. And and remember to always slay the game. Peace out.